Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the types of highlighters and also how you can use them. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are four types of highlighters. There are cream highlighters, liquid highlighters, stick highlighters and the powder highlighters. So the cream highlighters are those which are creamy in nature, as the name suggests. Basically give you a illuminating glow from within. You can use them as their own also depending on the kind of color they have. Also you can use them by mixing them in your foundation and it gives a overall glow to your face. Also cream, this is the one from Glam Glow. It is the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in this shade which is visible over here. This is a very nice highlighter. This is in the shade Nude Glow. So if you're someone from medium to fair skin tone, you can definitely go for this one. Today I have used this also and I really like this highlighter. You need very little of the amount. You don't need to apply a lot of highlighter. Can you see that? So I'm just giving you a swatch how it feels like. So see, it gives a very nice glow to your face. What you can do is you can apply it on your high points of the face, like your cheek area, your bridge of the nose, forehead and your cupid bow and this area. So that then after you can apply the foundation, or you can mix it with your foundation and then apply the foundation. The choice is totally yours. It is a very nice beautiful highlighter. I really like it. I have started using it recently. So this is how it looks like. It gives a shine to your skin. Can you see the difference? So if you know, MAC Strobe Cream is one of my favorite. I always end up using it. Even if I'm not applying any makeup, I use it when I have to go outside. So I'll just take a little bit of this, just a little bit, this much. Okay, now we'll blend it. This is in the shade Pink Light. It comes in various shades. The glow it gives is very beautiful. Very, like, it comes from within. It looks like that and it blends very nicely. Can you see that? So this is the MAC Strobe Cream. So next are the stick highlighters. For that I have two categories again. This is from the brand Fenty Beauty and this is from the brand Milk Makeup. So these are the stick highlighters. I'll just show you. This is how the stick highlighter from Fenty Beauty looks like. What you can do is you can just take a little behind your hand, or you can directly take from the stick. Okay, warm it between your fingers and then you can apply it on the highest points of your face. So this is a very thick consistency highlighter obviously. And then if we talk about this one, this is the Milk highlighter. This is also very pigmented. So this is how it looks like and you just have to take like this, warm it between your fingers and apply it. So these are the two stick highlighters. So personally, if I talk, I'm not a big fan of stick highlighters because they are very thick in consistency. Also, it is really difficult to blend them properly, and if you don't blend your highlighters or any of makeup product, it will look patchy. So next are the liquid highlighters. I have two highlighters in the liquid category. This is from the brand Cover FX and it is in the shade Moonlight. So this is a travel size which I got in a holiday kit, and this is a very nice highlighter again. So this is in a dropper kind of a form. The shade is like this. Just put, you need very little of these highlighters. If you apply too much, your face will look like a disco ball. So I'll just blend it now. So can you see the difference? We just took one drop and it is giving such a blinding effect. So you need to be very careful with applying these liquid highlighters. Cover FX is very pigmented and the shine is amazing. So what you can do is you can wear it beneath your makeup, like before your foundation on your highest points. Just apply a little bit and then blend it very nicely. Next highlighter that I have is from the brand Benefit. This is the High Beam. As you can see, the packaging is kind of a nail polish packaging. So again, you have to use it in a drop form. I have not used it much. So this is a very nice shade and I'll blend it now. So the thing with these liquid or cream highlighters is that you have to be very careful. You can see just a drop and so much of shine on the hand. So apply it very carefully and I would highly recommend this one. This is a very natural kind of a highlighter and it is easily available on Nykaa also. So the next category is my favorite and these are the powder highlighters. By coincidence, I have two highlighters in each category. I just noticed that. So I have Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter Okay, this is in the shade Precious Petals. This is one of my amazing, and I love this highlighter. I use it the most. And the second one which I have is the Elf Baked Highlighter. I'll give you a hand swatch also. I have one more in this like Wet n Wild category with me, but I don't use it much because it is for a very fair skin tone. So this is how the swatch looks like. It blends very nicely and it looks stunning. Okay, so the second one which I have is from the brand Elf. This is the baked highlighter, and it is, I think it is available on Nykaa, or I think they have upgraded or changed the packaging maybe. So this is how it looks like. It is not very pigmented. See, can you see the swatch? So this is how the packaging of the Elf highlighter looks like. So you can see in the packaging itself, it is not very shiny or glowy. It is very subtle, although this is quite shiny. I would highly recommend the Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter if you are someone from medium to fair skin tones. So this was all I wanted to share in today's video. I really hope you gained knowledge about the types of highlighters, and my hand looks like a highlighter now. And I hope you guys find it helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel. Just click on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.